Many IT professionals are worried that AI will replace their jobs. In this video, I will explain what AI will change in IT jobs and what it will not, using real practical example. AI is already automating repetitive tasks, improving efficiency, and enabling smarter decision making. From chatbots handling support tickets to predictive analysis, optimizing infrastructure, the impact is undeniable. However, not everything will change. While AI can write code and automate deployments, it cannot replace critical thinking, strategic architecture design, and governance capabilities. These human skills remain essential. AI is transforming industries, and IT is no exception. This presentation explores what AI will change in IT jobs and what it won't. We will cover automation trend, coding assistant, predictive operations, and governance aspects. The goal is to help IT professionals understand where to adopt and where human expertise remain irreplaceable. So, why AI matters in IT? Let's understand it. AI is projected to add trillions to global economy, with IT roles among the most affected. From automating repetitive tasks to enabling predictive analysis, AI is reshaping workflows. However, not all aspects of IT will be automated. Strategic thinking and governance remain critical. Let's understand what are the IT roles which will be affected under this transformation. Roles such as DevOps engineers, data engineers, and IT support analysts will experience significant changes. AI driven tools will automate monitoring, troubleshooting, and even code generation. Security analysts will see AI augment threat detection but not replace human judgment. Now let's understand what will be the key responsibility AI will bring in, key changes AI will bring in. AI will automate routine tasks like system monitoring, patch management, and log analysis. Coding assistants such as GitHub Copilot will speed up deployment. Predictive operation will reduce downtime by forecasting failure before they occur. Real-time example is AI-based anomaly detection in cloud infrastructure, which reduces incident response by time by 40%. Now let's understand what AI won't change and understand the human-centric responsibilities. Despite, despite AI's capabilities, critical thinking, architecture design, and governance will remain human driven. AI cannot replace ethical decision making, compliance, oversight, or strategic planning. Real time example is designing a multi cloud architecture require nuanced understanding of business goals, something AI cannot fully replicate. I will go through few real-time examples in which AI is in action. So let's understand example number one. AI-driven predictive maintenance in data center reduce hardware failure. Let's understand example two. Automated code review tools catch syntax error instantly. And example three. AI-powered chatbots resolve common IT queries, freeing human agents for complex issues. So now let's move on to understand what are the skills required to stay up to the date. To stay relevant, IT professionals should focus on skills AI cannot replace, such as strategic thinking, cloud architecture, cybersecurity, and ethical AI governance. Upskilling in AI integration and data analytics will be crucial. So, what are the common misconceptions about AI? Let's see. The common myth is that AI will replace all IT jobs, but the reality is AI will augment roles, not eliminate them. Another common myth is that learning AI means coding only, but the reality is understanding AI ethics and governance is equally important. So the key takeaways are: AI replace outdated ways of working for the people who refuse to learn, who only do repetitive tasks, who avoid adopting. AI will automate repetitive tasks and enhance efficiency, but human judgment, creativity, and governance remain irreplaceable. IT professionals should embrace AI as a tool, not a threat, and focus on future proof skills. And then in the next video, I will show how IT professional can use AI daily to work smarter, not harder. Well, what part of AI worries you the most about your job? Subscribe if you want calm, honest AI guidance for IT professional. Thank you.